If you know me, you know I've been a huge fan of Haim since 2013 when their first album came out, Days Are Gone. They just came out with a new album yesterday called Women in Music Part 3. I absolutely love it. I can't stop listening to it. I'm going to be doing a whole series of videos on it, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Starting with this one, today I'm going to be going over the steps, the second track on the album. So make sure you hit that like button if this video helps you. This entire song is made up of 3 chords: G major, A major, and D major. So for the G major chord, you're going to place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. Then for the A major, you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings with your index finger. Another way to play this is to place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the B string. Then the D major chord. For the D major chord, you're going to place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. The verse is only 2 chords. It's a D major and a G major chord, and it sounds like this. Now the chorus uses the 2 chords that we just used, the D major chord and the G major chord, and it adds an A major chord. It sounds like this. Now there's really only one section left to learn. It's the bridge section where they break it down towards the middle of the song. We're going to use the same chords that we use in the verse section, but we're going to be using a different strumming pattern, so pay attention. And that's the steps by Haim. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, and I'm going to be doing more songs by them, so hit subscribe too. Thanks.